Alright, just wanted to show you something quick and simple you can do to give your car a more modern look. I have replaced all of my lights with LED bulbs. For example, these are an 1157 switchback LED bulb. These are going to be the parking lights, and then when you hit the turn signal. Also, I have the low beam, the high beam, and the fog lights replaced. So you can take an older vehicle. This is a 2007 Honda Civic, and you can easily just replace the bulbs and gives it a much more modern, cleaner look than just the basic halogen bulbs. I'm trying to think what else. I have also replaced my interior, like dome lights, door lights, that kind of stuff with LED bulbs. The back of the car, the factory taillights appear to almost look like LEDs, but they're not. But I have replaced the license plate lights here. I'll put a link to all these bulbs in the description below, so that way you guys can follow along and replace yours if you like what you see. But I think the only ones I haven't done yet would be, I haven't done the LED reverse lights, so that'll be the next purchase I make. But something simple and clean and easy. I'll also put the window visors there, so on hot summer days you can crack your windows. I did replace my brakes a couple months ago with Detroit axle cross-drilled slotted rotors, high-performance ceramic pads. So far, love those as well. No complaints there. I'll link most of these products below for you guys. But something simple and easy you guys can do if you have a Honda Civic or pretty much any vehicle. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll be more than glad to respond. So leave your question in the description below. I'll get back to you guys. Thanks for watching my channel.